Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can summon an Eye of Cthulhu in Terraria. So you have two methods. First method is just simply go over 200 HP and then every night he have a about 33% chance to spawn. But this other method is just craft his summon item. To craft it you will need 6 lenses and go to Crimson or Corruption War, go to one of these holes, go down. Here you have this altar, Crimson altar, or corruption, and just simply craft his summon item. And that's all. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.